Hello everybody and welcome back to a new video on my channel. My name is Colin Knight and today I want to show you my second parking lot mat that I have purchased not long ago. Before we start, I would like to say sorry because I have a very big headache, so this video is gonna be with less with a bit less commentary than usual. I'm gonna show the car and then where I place it, and then we're gonna build this thing. So let's get started. At first we have this Mercedes-AMG GT3 and Fleet Street Team Transport, really nice. Gonna put it in right into the middle. You know what? We're gonna let them unload. Very good. Okay. Then we have the Bugatti Divo from Matchbox. From Hot Wheels we have the Dodge Viper SRT 10 ACR. Next up we have a Pagani Huayra Roadster. And we have a beautiful Lotus Evija or Evija. Then we have a Gordon Murray T33S. And then we have our second premium Hot Wheels model for today, the LBER34 Nissan Skyline Super Silhouette. And then we have from Mini GT the Nissan Silvia S15 LB Super Silhouette in this beautiful Advent livery. Very nice. Then we have 3 times the Nissan GTR LBWK or Liberty Walk. Very beautiful. We're gonna park them on this side because I need the other side. Okay. Then we have the Aston Martin Valhalla. Really nice. Next up we have the Mazda RX-7. And of course we have another Mazda RX-7 in this beautiful white. And we have a third Mazda RX-7 for today. Then we have the Toyota GR Supra or the Supra Mark V. Next up we have from Marjoret the Nissan GTR Nismo. Nissan GTR Nismo GT3. Very nice. With the opening doors. But we're gonna display it like this. Let's say it's just leaving because it needs to go somewhere. And then for the last 2 cars for today we have these 2 Liberty Walk Nissan Silvias from Hot Wheels. Really nice. Let's fix them up. really nice. And this is already it. This is from the size, it's the exact same size as the other mat I've shown you in my other video the other day. But this one has, as you can see, a few less parking spots, but this one is really nice for displaying stuff, for example, when I'm gonna unbox stuff in the future, because you can put it in here sideways, going from left to right, for example. But you can also display it, for example, here this first row. You can see here, for example, these two, they are very nice and really cool. But yeah, honestly, I don't know what I'm talking right now. My headache is so bad I can't even really think about what I'm trying to say here. So yeah, thank you for watching until the end. If you enjoyed, please let me know by leaving a like and a sub to this channel. And of course, comment down below what you would like to see next as a car meet on this mat or on the other mat. And of course, which of these two you like more. And then I see you in the next video. Until then, have a very nice time and bye bye.